Pilhay na lang la. Okay, today is May 22, year 2025. Okay, this is my parents' home. Just burned down last year. I'll give you a view how it's look like. There. Yan. It's already almost 12 noon. Okay. Yan. Yan. We have to clean up all those mess. Mandi monkey lola, kanin lola.
小便啊，青菜啊。
di bahala ka niya,小便哦。di ba bi an feel hay chong na lang ha. Okay, okay, this is how it look like. Nako. We need to clean it up. Nako. Okay. Kailangan ng ilang days din to clean it up. Yan o. All burned down, so we have to remove all those wood. Yan. So yan. Ako. Daming trakto bubuhatin. We have to remove all those burn items and yan no. Daming truck dito. Okay. Yan, biga, alisin din yan. Dito. Okay, ika. Okay. This is the basement. Yan yung CR and another CR. And ito yung kwarto. Yan, wala na mga wala na mga bintana. No idea kung una hakutin mo na lahat ng basura. Daming truck to para hakutin to. Yung CR. Okay. That's about it. Thank you.